what you're not paying attention to right now might just be the next big thing. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to accumulate Coinmarketcap diamonds in a very smart way. As you already know, some of you might not be aware, Coinmarketcap doesn't allow creation of multiple accounts, you understand? But in this video I'll be showing you how to create multiple accounts and accumulate as much as possible Coinmarketcap diamonds, because the truth of the matter once again is what you're not paying attention to might just be the next big thing. Just imagine when CoinMarketCap diamonds get released to the market for trading. Just imagine what the price will be then. And basically, before I proceed, you can invite your friends, and each of you will get 20 diamonds as soon as they accumulate up to 900 diamonds, which is what they can do in just a matter of 10 minutes, you understand? So in this video, for you to bypass the restriction placed on CoinMarketCap not to create multiple accounts, because if you create multiple accounts and you get detected, your accounts are going to get bound, because you are coming from the same user agent, the same browser info, and also the same IP. So we'll be using MoreLogin real quick. My account is already created, profile is already created on MoreLogin. MoreLogin allows you to create multiple profiles depending on your package, you understand? So for now, the profile allowed on this my package is 2 profile, because it's a free package. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade right there. And let me just show you guys something real quick, so that for some of you that might want more info. Okay, so let's check the pricing out, the pricing of MoreLogin, in case some of you might need it for maybe like 10 profile and the rest, you understand? So that's just it. Load fast, we ain't got time, man. We got to go head back to the main purpose of this video. As you can see, this is the free plan, and the monthly plan is $9, which gives you 10 profile and 2 users. And also the custom price, you can contact them for more info regarding that aspect. So aside using it for airdrop, which I'm going to show you guys in this video how to claim the CoinMarketCap what's it called, diamonds, you can also use it to create multiple Twitter accounts, and yeah, and basically participate in participate in airdrops and also giveaways. As you can see, this MoreLogin anti-detect browser can be used for e-commerce, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, creation of social media platform, also multiple ticketing and the rest, you understand? You can use it for several purposes. And yeah, so that's just it. And so I've already created an account here on MoreLogin. The account creation process is easy. The link to create an account on MoreLogin is in the description of this video. And yeah, so, and also the link to create an account on CoinMarketCap, you can just copy the link from the description of this video and paste it in your in the browser MoreLogin is going to give you, because MoreLogin is going to give you, the moment you click on this start right here, MoreLogin is going to give you an entirely new browser each time you upon every request. Entirely new browser, new user agent, new web ROTC management and the rest, you understand? New IP address, you understand? So you can't get detected. And if you don't want to use free proxy, for now this is my own premium proxy. They also have a premium proxy right here, and I'll be showing you guys all that. So you can click on their premium proxy and get their proxy, or you can use external proxy. So to create account on this platform, you just have to click on create profile. After you've clicked on create profile, you can name your profile. Let's just say CoinMarketCap Diamond. CoinMarketCap Diamond, you understand? Okay, because I already have an account, CoinMarketCap Diamond 1. So you can ignore this browser profile group, and then just basically scroll down. You can either choose Chrome or Firefox, you understand? And whatever you choose, the information will be displayed here. And also you can select the version you want. I'll be leaving it at the default version. Or an operating system, you can select Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, you understand? And yeah, so for now, this MoreLogin browser is only available on Windows, Mac OS, and the Android iOS version of the application software is coming. You understand? So this is my user agent, and this is where you get to impute your proxies. You can either choose purchase proxy, which you get to get sophisticated proxy from MoreLogin company. You understand? So you just choose your territory, your area, and then yeah, 30 days, 19 days, depending on your capital. You can just choose the duration you want and then proceed to pay with PayPal. You understand? So that's just it, as simple as ABC. And if you don't want to buy from there, you can use your own external proxy, which is just basically by clicking on this drop down icon right here. After you've clicked it, you can choose HTTP proxy and then fill in the informations. So you can just basically name this depending on the country you're using, maybe UK, the country proxy you're using, UK proxy host. You just have to impute the proxy code there. You understand? It's more like something like dot blah 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 dot 12, yeah, something like that, and the port is usually 4. So you can just impute the port from your proxy provider. You understand? So after you've done that, you can just basically proxy account, that is the username from your proxy dashboard. You understand? Provider dashboard, you impute your username and also impute your password. Also, you can decide to test it. Testing is very essential for you to see if the proxy is working or not. You understand? And if they say failed, you can retest it again, and after that you click on OK, and you'll be done. I won't advise you go this advanced. This one is kind of more advanced. You can, it's self-explanatory though, but I would advise you just leave it at default. You understand? Just leave the advanced part at default. So I've already created an account, so there's no need of creating another one. So what we'll do now is just head to the profile. As you can see, Coinmarketcap Diamond 1, and the proxy I'm using is UXA proxy. So we'll just have to click on this start right here because I've already created a profile. Click on the start and wait for it to load. And yeah, so we're loading, and I mean any moment from now it should open. Oof, what's happening? Yes, that's good. I think we're opening. As you can see, the information I've displayed is here to confirm our territory. As you can see, United States, that is our proxy is working. You understand? And we should get a green check here to confirm that our proxy is actually active. And here is our user agent. Like, you can't get detected. CoinMarketCap can't even detect you. Good. So our proxy is good to go. So what you have to do now is just click here and type in CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. Good. So type in CoinMarketCap, and after you're in, okay, I think let me increase my good. So after you're in CoinMarketCap, what you have to do next is click on sign up. Just dismiss this notification right here. Click on this sign up. As you can see, sign up and participate in crypto airdrop. Participate in airdrop right now on CoinMarketCap. So you just have to click on sign up. After you've clicked on sign up, impute your email and also your password. You understand? After you've done that, you just have to click on this agree right here and then click on create account. So after you might have imputed your email, your password, what you have to do is click on this I agree to receive marketing update from CoinMarketCap, and then proceed by clicking on create account. And after that, you have to pass through this security check by clicking on this bicycle. Click on whatever you are being told to click on, and then click on verify. As you can see, verification successful, and I'm not saving my password, and then click on enter verification code. Okay, they just sent a verification code to my mobile phone, and let me type it in real quick: 284827. Good. I think we're good to go. Success. You successfully signed up, and your diamond will be sent to your account. Complete profile for extra reward. Yeah, you have to complete your profile for extra reward. So just click on next, and then click on next. I think it's self-explanatory already. So some of you that know how to use CoinMarketCap, click on next, and yeah. So remember, you have to either use the premium proxy from the what's it called, MoreLogin, or you go with your own external proxy. So what I have to do here is just have to upload a profile pics to make my account look standard. Let's just select a random picture. It mustn't be something serious, you understand? Okay, so let's open this, and then just a random picture is enough. Confirm. Good. Oh, sorry about that, random picture from one of my chats. And after that, you just choose a name. let's just say Diamond Hunter. Oh my god. Because we're going to hunt their diamond to the core. Save and get your reward. You just receive 60. So for just creating an account alone, you are getting 60 diamond. Isn't that amazing? Like seriously? Okay, you click on OK. So your account is all set with the help of passing through the anti-detect browser we use, which is MoreLogin. And don't forget the link to Coinmarketcap registration will be in the description of this video. Also, the link to MoreLogin will be in the description of this video, and feel free to use. Let's head over to MoreLogin real quick. As you can see, our account is still active. That's why it's showing this orange color. And yeah, so back to the MoreLogin browser. This is an entirely new browser MoreLogin gave us. So in order for you to access your diamond account, you just have to double click on this diamond. After you've double clicked on it, as you can see, I only have 60 diamond here for creating the account. Remember, you can create as much account as possible with the help of MoreLogin profile anti-detect browser. You can't get detected. It's not possible. So what we'll have to do now is day one, because this account is a fresh account day. This is day one, day two, day three. Every day you'll be coming here to claim your reward. So day one, we have to claim our 10 diamonds. So just click on claim diamonds. So okay, you just have to pass through this security check, and yeah, oh good. You have collected the diamond. You want to receive a daily reminder to collect diamonds. You can either click yes or maybe later. So let me just click maybe later. So I've received today. That's why you're seeing a green check mark here, and tomorrow I'm to log in back to this account to receive it. As you can see, this is the time I've received it, 0.4 blah 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 to collect 10 diamonds. And yeah, so as you can see, my diamonds is now 70. Remember, you can refer your friend to get 20 diamonds each, you understand? And yeah, so you can participate in daily airdrop here, and you can just basically click on airdrops. After you've clicked on airdrop, you will see the airdrop that are called, say, ongoing airdrop right here, ongoing airdrop, the airdrop that are currently ongoing, and 622,000 persons have participated in this airdrop. But can I tell you something? Majority of those people here are using multiple profiles, you understand? So that's where MoreLogin comes in. It helps you to create multiple Twitter accounts, multiple Coinmarketcap accounts. So that's just it. And you just have to click on any project you wish to participate in the airdrop here. Let's just click on this. Is it loading? Okay, let's just click on Bull BTC. Bull BTC, what's happening? Okay, good. Let's just click on Bull BTC to see what's up. So Bull BTC has opened, and you can either follow them or not, you understand? So airdrop, the airdrop is currently going. How to participate? Sign up on the airdrop page and check the step below. So you can basically visit here and check the steps. Just click on read more, and yeah, so you can create they say join their, follow them on Twitter. This is where MoreLogin comes in. You can just create multiple accounts because Twitter doesn't allow you managing more than one account, right, on one device. So you have to change your user agent when creating the account on MoreLogin, you understand, in order to to help you create multiple Twitter accounts, because you need multiple Twitter accounts to follow them in order, because airdrop participation giveaways are game of luck, you understand. You never can tell. So just imagine if you're participating in an airdrop or a giveaway with 20 accounts, damn, your luck must come to pass, you understand. So that's you can just join their Telegram group and then join their Discord channel also. So that's that for that. Let me show you guys the other way to. Okay, let's leave here real quick. Good. So I've shown you how to create an account, how to collect your diamonds. You never can just tell. Just imagine when this diamond hits the market, oh my god, it's going to explode. And for now, the things you can use your diamonds for, you can use them to gain access to crypto events around the world, depending on the crypto events that accept Coinmarketcap Diamonds. You can also use it to purchase some goods on Coinmarketcap, like NFT and the rest. And yeah, so that's just it. And what you have to do here is log in into your Coinmarketcap account every day and then claim your reward, you understand. So the CoinMarketCap, for some that might be asking, the CoinMarketCap diamonds are loyalty rewards that they give to their users, you understand. So this is another way to participate after this daily task. Once more diamonds complete this task, you just have to go to this page and then predict, be it whether you're wrong or you're right, you will still get your diamonds. So let's just click on random country, place prediction. We're just clicking on random countries, but place prediction. Good. So you have to place 3 prediction. Remember, this one is 10, you understand. Predict and get 10 diamonds. So you just have to claim your diamonds because we've already predicted 3. You just received 10 diamonds. Isn't that amazing, right? Seriously. Let's head back to our diamond account and for you guys to see for yourself. Okay, so we now have 80 diamonds. Just imagine when those diamonds hits the market for trading, when it's available for trading. You never can tell, man. Like seriously, it's going to be massive. And you now have 80 diamonds. You don't know the worth yet. Let's assume each diamond begins with a price of let's just say a price of 0.01. So now you have 0.01 times 80. Okay, yeah, 0.01 for each diamond. That is let's just say 1 cent for each diamond. So that 1 cent 9 times 800x, you understand, is something else, you understand. You never can tell. You never can just tell the price is going to kickstart with. So that's it. And as always, the link to register an account on MoreLogin will be in the description of this video. Also, the link to register an account on CoinMarketCap will be in the description of this video. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out. Stay out of trouble.